Hi everybody, it's Carrie Califano with the Porchlight Group at William Ravis. I'm sitting in my car. I just got back from a home inspection, and I wanted to follow up with a video, follow up on a post I posted earlier on my Facebook page about interest rates and buyer's remorse. So I was talking to my real estate coach today, and we've had a couple of conversations over the last few weeks about the concept of buyer's remorse. And it was funny because I said, that's my new coined phrase. You know, typically when you buy something that's too expensive, or maybe you splurge a little bit and you go like, oh, I shouldn't have bought that, is what we typically know buyer's remorse to be, right? And so now what I'm talking about with this new buyer's remorse is based on conversations I've been having with potential buyers and potential sellers who are kind of a little hesitant to get into the real estate game. Maybe they're not so sure. Prices are still high. You know, the Boston area is a pretty pricey market. And what we keep talking about is the fact that interest rates are at a 70-year low. And so what does that mean? If this happens in another 70 years, where are you in 70 years from now? Think about it. You're 30 years old. You're thinking about buying your first house. You're 100, right? And so what I don't want to have happen is my clients having buyer's remorse that they didn't buy. The interest rates are low. Prices aren't going to drop. I've heard from some clients like, oh, well, you know, I'm going to wait until the market crashes and prices come down. And I got to tell you, especially in places like, you know, metropolitan areas like the Boston, Cambridge markets, you know, prices aren't just going to come down. You're not going to see a condo in JP for $299 one day. And so the atmosphere is just ripe to be making a solid real estate investment. And I use the analogy of Amazon, right? Like the comment below if you've never ordered from Amazon. And I bet there'll be very few people, but you know, a number of years ago, their stock price was $20. And now, as of this morning, I checked the stock market, it was $1,912 a share. And so, you know, I want to kick myself in the fanny that I don't own any Amazon stocks. And I don't want to see that happen to people when it comes to real estate. It is a really good time to buy. We're likely not going to see interest rates this low for a very long time. And while, and I've talked about this in other videos, you know, there is a recession potentially looming. Experts are now saying that it may not be as bad as we think, and even so, the housing market's going to remain strong. So with a recession or without a recession, my hair is a mess. Oh my. Anyway, with or without a housing recession, with or without a recession, the market is going to stay pretty strong. And I just don't want to see people miss out on the opportunity to make a really good financial investment, be it your first home, your second home, a vacation home, a rental property, an investment property. They are predicting that interest rates are going to stay low for the next 2 years, averaging at about 3.8%. They're also expecting housing prices to go up about 5% in the next 12 months. So if you are a numbers person and you want to do the math, you're looking at interest rates staying really good, and then housing prices are going to continue to creep up, which reduces your buying power. So it's a new year, and even though it's freezing here today, it is, we're not far away from the spring market in New England. And I just want to challenge all of you, if you've ever thought about possibly maybe one day buying property, again, for you to reside in or as an investment, please reach out. I would be happy to have a conversation with you. Obviously, no pressure, just a conversation to help educate you on interest rates and the market and competition and multiple offer situations and appraisals and equity and return on your investment. All of these things that are crucial to making good financial decisions as a real estate advisor. I'm happy and really eager to help just educate you. So again, even if home buying is a little bit down the road for you, please consider me as a trusted source to help you think about some decisions down the road. But I will tell you, and some of you may know who you follow my page. We just bought an investment property with my parents, partially because our family needed it and wanted it, but also because I kept saying to my family, it is a really good time to buy real estate and to think about what kind of financial portfolio I want to leave for my kids, what kinds of investments we want to have as we get older, and really kind of planning for the future. So I'm testament that it is a super good time to buy, and I would be happy to talk with anybody or help you through thinking about it. So if you want regular updates and information, you can like my Facebook page, the Porch Light Group, or you can check me out here. You can go to my website, which is carriecalifano.ravis.com. You can give me a call, send me an email, shoot me a text. Happy to be a resource for you. So thanks for listening. I'm going to go fix my hair. And hope you all have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.